Hello viewers, welcome to Happy Streamers. In this video, I'll show you how to make Instagram Reels. First go to Instagram, then go to your story. Now select camera. Now from the bottom, select Reel. Now you'll find some options. First one is audio. From where you can add your audio. Second one is effect. You can select any effect you want. Third one is quotation. You can add any quotation. Fourth one is timer. You can select the time of your reel. And you can select your speed of your reel. Now you can select the video layout. Now click the camera button from the bottom middle. It will start recording. After completing recording your reels, click stop, then go to next. You can edit clips. Now click next again. Now write the caption. You can tag people, add topics, rename audio, add location, etc. Now click next. Now click share. Now your reels is ready. It is showing that your reels is sharing. It will take some time. That's all. If you find this video useful, please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.